Wow, welcome to 1477 Fountain Way. You're gonna be impressed. 2-bedroom den, under 1,300 square feet, outdoor space, totally renovated. You're gonna like this one. Come on in, let's have a look. As you can see, this is totally renovated. Look at these dark walnut floors. Absolutely spectacular. Granite countertops. I used to be in the kitchen business. These are expensive. Really good thing here too is they actually have a wine fridge. Perfect. This is a ginormous master bedroom. Look at the size of this place. And the skylights are spectacular. It's nice and bright, and access to the secure patio. And you have yourself a walk-in closet. So this is the second bedroom, which they use as a den because they both work from home. This room also has access to the private patio, which is quite handy. So here we are on the secluded patio, and as you can see, it's pretty quiet. It's on the east side, so we get lots of sunshine. This patio is about 190 square feet with a private gate that allows you access out to the green space, and you can hop right on the seawall within 50 feet. So here we are leaving the secluded balcony, and that was 204-1477 Fountain Way. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed that suite. Isn't it gorgeous? Could you picture yourself living there? Stunning renovations? I could. Well, anyway, we're off to Granville Island now. We're gonna go explore. And if you'd like to know more about Granville Island, click this video up here. But if you'd like more information about this condo, don't hesitate to call, text, or email. We'd be more than happy to help you out. Thanks very much for watching.